Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you along for my first ever motocross race on my Honda Crf 250. And yes, I was nervous. Yeah, I was nervous. First of all, this was quite a last minute decision, as I was actually put into the reserve list as there was no space left for the group I was going to be in. And on Monday, about 5 days before the actual race, I got a call saying, "Louis, would you like to come and race at Wattisfield?" And I was like, yes, I would. It's a track what I've always wanted to race ever since I was a wee little nipper. I must have been about, I don't know how young I was, but ever since I could remember, I've been going there and watching people race, like Elliot, Louis Dutton, Jake Nichols, and all of the boys race there. Quite a last minute decision. I decided to put some practicing on my 250 as I haven't actually rode it much. I've ridden it like twice or 3 times. So I thought I'd do some last minute practicing. Went to Mildenhall, so here's some clips of that. The footage isn't very clear, so sorry about that. Then I also did a bit of training with Bob in the week, aka Jolien.
In the bomb hole, out the bomb hole, in the bomb hole, out the bomb hole. Right, over the jump. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Brake hard, brake hard, brake hard. Down, back in the bomb hole, up the bomb hole. Right, down, left-hander, with clutch, right-hander, right-hander. Back on your pegs, back on your pegs. Bumps coming, brace yourself, bumps. Look up, you don't look where you're going. You've got to look where you're going. But I got a bit of training with Bob/Jolien, as he claims to win the most amount of, what is it called? The all-comer finals. He claims to win the most all-comer finals at Wattisfield. And don't know if he's true about that, but yeah. He did a lot of races there and won a lot of races there. He claims to win a lot of races there at this track, so yeah, I might throw a bit of footage of him racing around.
We've lost Mark Banks earlier on, also Tim Clark was going well, he's gone out of it.
But before I actually throw you into this video, yes, I have had a haircut. This video was actually filmed about 2 weeks ago, but I've been really busy at the moment, so sorry it's really late and I haven't been uploading as many vlogs at the minute, but hopefully we'll have some more coming soon. But yeah, let me show you how I got on in my first ever motocross race. Right, made it now to the track of Wattisfield. It's the Eastern Centre, but yeah. My uncle actually used to race it, Jolien, or Bob, James's dad. He used to race it quite a lot when he was younger, and he claims to win the most amount of races around here, so yeah. Yeah, he used to ride here a lot because he was actually Eastern Centre champion. But yeah. But I've actually had to stick some number 1s on my bike, as I had to go for the number 621. But I think practice or qualifying starts about 10 o'clock, so still got a bit of time. I can't actually remember how it works properly because I haven't actually done a motocross race in years, so not sure if we've got practice or qualifying. But yeah, a bit confused at the moment. So at the moment, just walking around the track. Looks stony but a bit tacky, so yeah, looks good. Right, so let's do a quick track walk.
Just got here, his levers are wrong, his gear lever is, he can't even get his foot under it. What other things hasn't he done?
Forgot his helmet.
Forgot his helmet, he's got no goggles. Yeah, apart from that, he's ready. Yeah, his clutch had got so much slack, it just came. And now he's going to get a burger. He's not worried about the bike.
James and Bob's turned up. Hello, James.
Bike's unprepared.
Bob's doing some last minute
Front
maintenance.
brakes binding on. Clutch isn't. What is it not doing?
Not suited to your riding technique.
Just binding.
Oh look, I've got the full squad on the job. Got the Honda technician.
Right, we want WD-40.
Right, so from that I think it's time for me to get changed. They doing it good? After this session comes back in, I'm actually heading out for time qualifying. What's 10 minutes of qualifying and 5 minutes of practice. The fastest 40 going to the A's and the other 40 going to the B class. I would like to go into the B's, but I'll try getting to the A's. And look, it's starting to rain.
Bloody hell. Just started raining.
Starting to rain a lot. No, it's calmed down a bit now.
Oh, good.
But it was going very rainy.
Have you calmed down?
No, not yet. So just had my helmet on, head out for qualifying. Apparently it's quite tacky out, so yeah, but looking forward to qualifying. So hopefully I'll make it into the A class.
Front brake.
Hardly any front brake. Right.
What's happened?
Didn't have hardly any front brake.
Well, that's because brake pads were worn down. Rust.
Hi guys, just got in from qualifying. I got 8th in my group and I think 18th overall in the A. I think I did, or 20th. Yeah, quite happy with the way I rode. I think I could maybe knock maybe a second off or something, but yeah, happy. But the roost is killing me. I'm already bruised. I'm used to little mini bikes where they throw little pebbles at you. Got stones and mud. We're only used to baby bikes and baby tools and model bikes.
Out soon.
Got about 20 minutes. Got the NGR, no, Evo class. NGR's out. I think they're 2 different groups. They're out at the moment. But I think I've made it to the 8, so thumbs up. Very happy with this. I just had some Lucasade at the moment. Let's head out. The old bikes are out. I think Jake's in this class, but sounds mega the old bikes going round. But Bob, aka Jolyon, he wants to get an old bike like that to make it like his old one. Together. Jay! It's not lined up with the thing though.
Come on. Go on! Come on!
Stop there. Top 10.
My fork guard's actually snapped off, so I actually haven't got a whole shot device at the minute, so the two brothers are debating where to put it and are throwing fists.
I thought you as long as it's pressed a bit and clipped down.
Second moto, last minute maintenance.
Hanging on.
Start. So, after that race, it was a bit of a disaster. Very, very wet and muddy. There was 3 red flags, I think. Had 3 crashes, but very, very wet. George, Senna, and everyone, they've cleaned my bike. But yes, again, my forks, both my fork guards have actually broken, so we've taped them on. I've lost my whole shot device, so I have now got no whole shot device. Yeah, a bit of a pity, £30 gone in the drain, but it was a £30 whole shot device, so yeah. And the reason we put it on this side, the whole shot device, because it had broken, that fork guard had broken, so we tried it on this side. But yeah, very big pity.
That didn't work either, did it?
Nope. finished the day, just packing everything up. I have actually lost my phone, but yeah. Good day riding, really enjoyed my first motocross race. It was a lot of fun. But I'll pick up the vlog when I get back home. I just went over the barrows. Yeah, good day of riding. Fairly enjoyed it. Yeah, Wattisfield, amazing track. Hopefully to race here again soon. And yeah, looks awesome. So, obviously just got back home now. Just washed all the bikes down, got everything cleaned up. But yeah, I was actually really happy the way I rode in the morning. Had such a fun time at Wattisfield. Started off very well. I got 8th in my group, made it into the A group, what I was very happy with. Then in the first race I got, I think, 10th at the start. Then went back to about 14th. Then the second race there was 3 red flags. My whole shot device broke, and my fork gator broke. That had snapped off, so you can see where we've duct taped it. So I went out for the second start because of the red flag. Swapped over the whole shot device, and that snapped as well. So yeah, both of the fork gators broke. Lost my whole shot device. Then it was very wet that first race. No, the second race. I actually crashed 3 times. A stone came up and smashed my rip and roll, so I just had to poodle around, finish the race. Then the third race got a quite good start, about top 10 again. Then I got taken out going over one of the singles in the second corner, but it is what it is. Had an awesome time at Wattisfield. But by the time I had actually got up, I was already a lap down. But yeah, had an awesome time at Wattisfield. They prepped the track amazing. Really enjoyed it there, and we'll definitely be doing some more motocross races. And at least I know now if I head over to a motocross race, I'll be able to run with some of them. So yeah, I think, don't know what I got in the juniors or whatever. But yeah, at least I know now if I go to a race, I'll hopefully do alright. But yeah, really happy with today. And I'd also like to give a massive shout out to Paul Hubbard and the Disc Motorcycle Club for putting on such an awesome event. They keep the track amazing at Wattisfield, and I'll definitely be doing the next one if I can get in. But yeah, big shout out to them, so yeah. Well, that was my first ever motocross race. I had a lot of fun there, and yeah, cannot wait for my next motocross race. But guys, if you're still watching this to the end of the video, it really means a lot to me. Hopefully we'll have some motocross races coming soon. And yeah, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. I'll still try to go down to the pen, just show you a quick little updates of what we've been doing. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. And remember, keep ripping, keep riding, like, share, subscribe. So yeah.